Notion Advanced Workflow Tutorial Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Notion is just a note-taking app. The surprising truth is that its pricing reflects powerful workflow automation, team collaboration, and database capabilities that can replace multiple productivity tools. Notion's free plan gives access to personal notes, limited blocks, and basic templates. It's great for individuals who are exploring task management or building simple dashboards. The Personal Pro plan costs per month and add unlimited storage, unlimited blocks, and version history. For freelancers or professionals managing projects and documents, this unlocks much greater flexibility. Team and Enterprise plans, per user per month, enable team collaboration, admin tools, advanced permissions, and integrations with apps like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier. Businesses gain efficiency, centralized workflows, and enhanced project tracking. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on cost. The real value comes from the ability to automate processes, manage complex projects, and centralize all team resources. Paying for the right plan can save hours of work each week. In conclusion, Notion Advanced Workflow Pricing reflects features, collaboration, and automation power. Choosing the right plan ensures you maximize productivity while making your investment worthwhile.